Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna be playing Animal Company. I haven't made a video on this game yet, but I think I did. But this time we just became. I'm not gonna say it might be racist, but actually no, we are. Yep, we just got the hoodies in the Discord. So yeah, we're gonna go to lava map, get some money. We might die. Might take a little bit, but okay. Here's our mascot. What name? What's the name? What's the name? What's his name? Wait, I think we should leave him here. Because we shouldn't bring him into the danger. Clucky. It's Clucky. It's Cluck. Let's do that. Guys, so this is what I have. Don't mind that. I just have a lot of RPGs. Ducky. So guys, if you guys didn't know, the black backpack is really rare. Pumpkin pie, red flashlight, pumpkin, chicken. So he's gonna be mining and getting. I'm gonna be getting. So where's my my So the black backpack is really rare. If you want to trade people, never go in PvP. And a tip, if you go to a lava place, you cannot die if your hands are like this. Damn. Yo! I swear to God. I swear to God. Come on. So, but guys, pretend that's the lava. Pretend that's the lava. You can touch it like this. Use a grappler. If you touch it with your hands, do damage. It's very hard. It's not hard. Yep. Grappler, way easier, and hip slot. I'm working on getting a hip slot. I just need 5, and then we're good. Wait. You. There's a little glitch. You can go the long way, but easier way this way. Ran to the tree. You come over here. You guys can see how light we are. So you come over here. Push it. That's what you do, and then you just dang. There's like you just pushed. Wait a minute. What you mean by that? Wait, what? Oh yeah. Wait, look. We should. Hold up. I should definitely keep it right-handed. This right-handed because I'm gonna be in my backpack with the other hand. Once you get down there, you can 3, 2, 1, jump. Calabunga! How did he go so far? Guys, there's fish that kill you. I'm probably gonna die. Oh, caught the roof. And of course I get locked on right away. Probably gonna die right away. I get locked on right away. Find me. Where you at? Again? I see you. I hear you. Oh. I don't see it. There's nothing in my backpack. Make sure. Where you at? No! We're like pros at this. I mean, he is. Yeah, we both started playing Animal Company. Like, oh, I started playing before him, but it was like, I'm gonna get these. I'll get the long one. Dang it. Dang it! I got it. Got it. Wanna get it? Close it. And then there's some over here. There's like a lot on this tree. Cause it's really important to close your bag. Cause so yeah, there's one fish. Those are like pretty easy to dodge, but the multiple is different. I'll get these. It just fell right in my backpack. I'm skilled. I'm skilled, buddy. They call me skilled. Skilled's my middle name. But and there's some back on the trees. Holy moly! And there's a purple thing that I want to mine. Can I have the pickaxe to mine the purple thing? Can I mine the purple thing real quick? Dang it. Alright. Bro, we're cooking. I mean, there's some over there, there's some right here. You wanna go higher? Cause then it weighs you, it like weighs you down. Holy moly. Of course I drop it. All you have to do is put your hands up, grab it, put it on your back, and then get up. It's very easy to get up. All you have to do is bear climb. But once you start to get, I mean, we can head back after these little, cause we're gonna do multiple trips, cause we don't want to die. You can get those, and then we can start heading back, right? There's one right there. He had the hit place that I'm trying to get. I just need 5 of the purple gems. We're really rich. This gives us money. The bolts. I'm kind of looking bad on the guys. To get this hoodie, go to the Discord. Look at free stuff. Go there is a promo code, but I can't give it to you guys because it's bannable. You can just give the code out, just a hint for you guys. But what you have to do is subscribe to the Keep Climb. I mean, oh my God, Keep Climbing. Animal Company's Discord. Oh, I'm locked on. Pinch climb up, pinch climb up. It's very easy to pinch climb. It's like way easy. Yo, let's start making our way back, alright? Bro, you're good. Bro, you're good. You're too heavy. Let's make our way back. He really has a lot because it's like his second time. No, it's like his 5th time. Maybe even 10th, but I have not done this. So, this is my 2nd time actually getting stuff, like actually completing it. And that's not my house. I don't even know what that is. It's my house. Wondering if you touch the lava with your hands. Oh, watch out. Get behind a tree. Bro. Alright, yo, it's fine. You don't need that one. Just, let's make our way back. Come up here. There's like a radio that you're too far. Alright, you want to start making our way back? This is kind of hard, guys. perfect paste. Just get brought back. Jump, and I'm back. He should be back any second now. You could check first. Okay, first check how much you have. I probably have like 4. Not going to lie. I got 6 again. Guys, this is like a fast method. I suck at pulling my backpack on. So this is how much money. 1 run. 1 run gets you. This is just 8 and... Guys, this is 8. This is almost 9,000. Wait, what? It shows you not. Wait, it's just 9,000 for you. Oh yeah. Oh my God, it's Michael James. So what you want to do? Go subscribe to the thing. Go to the bot spam. Type in /YouTube. Hook up your YouTube account, and then you do /claim rolls, and you should get the promo code. And then you come over here, click prog, and then live in the good. So if you guys didn't know this, I really just noticed this. Just Toasty is his dog's in here. What's his dog's name? Sky is in here. I think I don't know if this is the first time. I think they already had a dog like this. I have this. I own that. I really got. Wait, but come here, but come here. Look at this. He's just no, look at the booty cheeks. Why do they look like that? They're bones. We going second run? Yep. Bro. Yep, our videos have been like 40 minutes. If you reckon, yeah, or keep climbing videos. Bro, and it takes so long to upload it. It's like, it makes it look like it's 5. This might look easier than it thinks, guys, because we've done it. I mean, he's done it. He taught me, so. This is hard once you get it right. This, to get through the hole. Yes, that's kind of harder. That's harder than getting the gems. Always. Wait. I don't have an umbrella. I don't have the umbrellas unlocked. I swear. Ready. Jump. No! Go forward. Oh, I got onto the roof. I'm in the spot where the gems all spawn. All right. Are you there? You there? Talk. I hear your grappler. Oh, I see you. You're locked on over here. You on that little bridge thing? Oh, that's Beans. We call him Beans because that's his name on VR. I'm up at the roof. Oh, after this run, you guys might not be able to hear him because something's up in my thing. Yep. Oh, my headset died. Next one. Better subscribe or I'll find.